Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down to this ringtone section and tap on phone ringtone. As you can see, the phone ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, which means that we can set totally different ringtone for the first one and different for another one. So let me show you how to do it for the first one. Of course, this operation looks the same for the other. Now we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. They are pre-installed here. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And here we've got also music, and basically if we've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, for example this one, and check whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I'd like to set this in the rain option. So simply tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on OK. As you can see, it is notified right here and also here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.